my channel. I have been waiting for Halloween all year. I'm so excited. Today I'm going to do a recreation of a look from an artist I found on Instagram. Her name is Hannah. She is so talented. I will post her information somewhere on the screen here, as well as the original artwork. I did message her and she gave her blessing for me to recreate this look for Halloween. Thank you so much, Hannah, if you're watching, for letting me recreate this. Your work is awesome. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this. I am so excited. I've been waiting all year to do Halloween for YouTube. Anyway, let's get started. For a primer, I'm using Smashbox Hydrating Primer. Next, with my Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation, I'm covering the perimeter of my face that is not going to have any face paint on it. Now, with a NYX eyeliner in white, I am slowly sketching out the design on my face. Looking at the reference picture, as well as I'm feeling out where the placement of the skull is on my own facial features. Next, with these Mehron water-activated Paradise paints and some primer water to activate them, I am using white paint on a small concealer brush to draw Hershey Kiss shaped teeth along my upper and lower lip. Don't worry if they are not perfect, you can always touch them up later. Now, using the Kat Von D Shade and Light Eye Palette, I'm using the top eyeshadow on a small eyeshadow brush to outline the Hershey Kiss shaped teeth individually. With that same white face paint, I'm now outlining the entire white base of the skull. Next, I'm filling it in with a larger concealer brush. When you get close to the teeth, use a light-handed feathering motion to flick the paint in between the teeth and where you place the eyeshadow, so there are no harsh lines, and to create some depth for each of the teeth. Now, using the black face paint, I'm filling in all the pieces of the skull that should be black. The eye sockets, the outermost part of the jaw, and the nose. Using the black eyeshadow from the Kat Von D palette, I am carefully setting the black paint that is on my eyes because I have hooded eyes and I don't want the face paint to move throughout the evening. Now with the dark red face paint, I'm carefully starting to paint the open wound flaps around the skull. Take caution while doing so because the red does tend to bleed a little bit. And also, if you mix white and red together, it will turn pink. Next, with the top eyeshadow, I'm starting to lightly shade the skull, looking at the reference picture and placing the shadows where I want the skull to stand out off the face and look more lifelike. I'm also placing the shadow around the perimeter of the wound on top of my foundation to create a light shadow. Now, with the black eyeshadow, I'm lightly stamping where I want to deepen the shading on my face to give them more depth. Now, mixing the top and black eyeshadows together, I am outlining the entire wound and inside flaps to make it look more lifelike and so it's not as flat looking on the face. Next, with the Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper, I am outlining each individual tooth with the felt tip liner. I apologize for being so close to the mirror since I was in the zone, but you can see the shape I created here. Next, with the top eyeshadow and a fluffy blending brush, I am lightly buffing the ends of the teeth to help shape them out and shade the jaw. Next, using the black face paint, I'm pulling in the jaw pieces to eliminate some of the extra teeth and to round out the shape of the jaw. I'm also painting the inner part of my lips to separate the teeth. Now, with a small concealer brush and the white face paint, I'm cleaning up any shading that I feel was too harsh. I'm also dragging the white face paint towards the black paint in the jaw pieces to create a gradient. This helps shape the jaw and eliminates any harsh lines. Lastly, with the black eyeliner pencil, I'm lining the inner waterline of my eyes so they are completely blacked out. And there you have it, you guys. That's the completed open up skull look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and to subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Happy Halloween!